India's space agency ISRO successfully launched an X-ray polarimeter satellite called XPoSat from the launch pad at Sriharikota in the southern Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. Its launch marks India's first satellite launch of 2024, and it comes after the Chandrayaan-3 and Aditya L1 missions by ISRO. The XPoSat is India's first dedicated polarimetry mission to study the dynamics of bright astronomical X-ray sources in extreme conditions. It's the world's second such mission after the US space agency NASA's launch of an imaging X-ray polarimetry explorer in December 2021.
The orbit that has been accomplished, which is available through various routes, it shows excellent orbit. And the deviations from the targeted orbit is hardly just 3 kilometers in circular orbit of 650 kilometer, and inclination is 001 degree, which is one of the very excellent orbital condition. And yet another announcement is the solar panel of the satellite also has been deployed successfully.
And taking to Twitter, India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi said, and I quote, "A great start to 2024 thanks to scientists. This launch is wonderful news for the space sector and will enhance India's prowess in this field. Best wishes to our scientists at Indian Space Research Organization and the entire space fraternity in taking India to unprecedented heights," unquote. And my colleague Ritesh Ranjan joins us from Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh. Ritesh, India is only the second country after the US to get a space-based observatory to study black holes. What's the significance of India's latest satellite launch?
Well, it is a really very great day for all of us according to the English New Year calendar. And as BM has wished that it is a great day for all, space organization and space researchers and scientists, because we have successfully launched that PSLV C-58 today. And the significance is this, from the childhood, we all must have heard about this black holes. This black holes is like whenever you and I or anybody will talk, we'll go blank after some time, because we know there is nothing after that. What is inside, what is happening, what chemical reaction or what is going on, what rays, nothing is known to us. So that is why in the first beginning, 2021, NASA has sent a satellite to study these kind of things. And after that, India is the second country which has sent such satellite to study this. And not only this black hole, it is also about, studying this X-rays polarization in extreme condition, and 15 bright stars and many other things. This is the significance we are, and this will take after the launch. ISRO chairman S. Somnath took a press conference and he said we will take time. It will take at least a month's time for them to for satellite to settle down, and them to settle down, take the data, record, and start studying what is the result, and then understanding, to come out for any kind of conclusion.
Also, Ritesh, the new mission comes on the back of India's successful moon mission. Now, what does that tell you about India's progress in space in general and the Indian Space Agency ISRO's track record in particular?
Well, talking about the track record, PSLV C-58, it is 60th workhorse of India, and a record of this workhorse is this 98%. So that is why, and this was the fourth PSLV DL and first scientific endeavor which is going to be used for the study of polarization of X-rays in extreme condition and black holes. So these are the very new things, and especially talking about other sectors, ISRO is expanding. And it is not only expanding itself, it is also helping new startups to come up in our country, and that is why we can see there are many startup has come up with regard to space research. Many startup has come up, and talking about the 6 months span, the big launch was our Chandrayaan launch, the you can say premier launch, or this was ISRO Chandrayaan launch, which was successfully set, and then after that we had this Aditya L1, and then this is the PSLV C58, which is like on the first day of 2024. We have launched this. So this is showing some sort of significance there. And before that, there are many commercial satellite which was launched with the help of ISRO. And many other countries like Singapore. They have their government space organization and private space organization wanted to launch satellites, so they took the help of ISRO. And this is and Mr. Somnath also said this will encourage those countries who does not have such kind of infrastructure or facility to study. So ISRO will come forward to help those countries in space research field.
All right, we'll leave it at that. Ritesh Ranjan at Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh. Thank you once again. Appreciate it.